I was so grateful that such a godly man, holy man, and who was committed to pray for us, the church in Pakistan. The other thing I want to say is a word from 1 Corinthians chapter 11, its first verse. Follow me as I try to follow Christ. When I think of Holy Father and his image comes before me as he was talking to us, I think he was somebody who was living the example like Paul, who said, follow me as I try to follow Christ. Because he showed the humility of Christ in his appearance and in his conduct. He showed the love and compassion for humanity, and he showed love for fellow Christians from all denominations. And I want to say that the Catholic Church can truly be proud of having a leader like Pope Francis. He was your Pope, but he was our leader as well. And we present our tribute to his memory, because he truly lived as if to live for him was Christ and to die gain. Thank you very much. God bless you all.